So part 3 of learning Qualtrics would be the reporting or the data analysis. So again, if I click on the survey, you will see that you have a data analysis tab and a reports tab. I am going to switch back to a survey that I have sent out so that you can see that there is some data and how we can use those two tabs. So from my projects dashboard, I'm just going to select one of the latest surveys that I've sent out that has a few responses in it. So the data analysis tab is your pure raw data. This shows you the date and time that a respondent has responded to your survey. Your questions are along the top and how they responded. It is pure raw data. Here is where you would export your data, and through Qualtrics we can put it into .csv, we can put it into an Excel file, we can put it into SPSS, and we can also input that data into Google Drive. So once I click download, and I'll just download it into a .csv file here, you'll see that that file will holds all of my raw data in it in a .csv file, Excel formatted document. And there it is. Now there's a lot of data in here that you're not going to use, and if you set that some of those settings in survey option, some of this IP address, for example, will not even show up. So that is how you can export your data. Now Qualtrics also has a very good reporting tool built into it, and that's under the reports tab. So from the reports tab, all of my questions are going vertically down in order on the left hand side of the screen. And in the center, you're seeing the visualization for question 2. So question 2 says, in order to offer the best possible technology training, please tell us who you are. So faculty, staff. Now if I wanted to edit this visualization, I click here and I have the options to change the type of chart, graph, table, whatever you want to call it. Qualtrics calls it visualization. You can change the large labels, and you can by just clicking with your mouse, you can change the small labels as well. You can change the category names. I'm sorry, I'm scrolling at using the wrong scroll box here. It's this little guy right here. You can also change the colors. I tried to get them to match Fisher colors, and etc. So this is a simple reporting tool. Here's a nice piece. Under page options, you can export a page as a PDF document, a Word document, or PowerPoint slides. So if you have a graph already created and you want to put it into your PowerPoint presentation, and you can export just one or all of them. So page by page we can do it, and or under share the report, you can share the entire report as a PDF document, a Word document. You can put it all into PowerPoint slides, or again, it gives you the option here to export just the raw data, just like we did under the data analysis tab. So you have a lot of functionality in the reports section of Qualtrics. You can even add a filter. So your initial report that's created by Qualtrics by default, I could filter it. So if I wanted to know just how all of the faculty responded to my training sessions, I can do something like this. And then it will filter this report, and every question will show me just how the faculty responded. And now I can export that to SPSS, not SPSS, Excel, a PDF document, Word, whatever I wanted to do, I could do that. So it's nice that we can do a filter. You can have multiple reports, things like that. So feel free to take advantage of both of those tools, the data analysis and the reports tab, for analyzing your data once you've collected it. Now, in addition to that, if you have any questions about Qualtrics, I am the support admin on this tool, and I'm available via email. I could do a Zoom meeting with you, etc., whatever you needed for support. But up at the top there is a help button, and Qualtrics has a very good support site. So once I click on help in the support site, if I wanted to learn more about a contact list, I could click on that, and it will bring me to their support page on this. Sometimes they have videos, sometimes it's all text. It really depends, but you can, so it's showing you here how to create a list manually, and then later down it will show you how to import a list, importing a contact list from a file. So it goes all through what I reviewed with you in more, maybe a little bit more detail, or if you forgot what I've said, something like that, please feel free to use the help function within Qualtrics. Again, if you have any questions about Qualtrics, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.